Are you prepared to add a little additional care and make your house sparkle? The great home improvement ideas include both economical and do-it-yourself friendly. DIY projects are a fantastic method to learn and develop. So let's see how a little ingenuity and creativity can completely transform your home. Zero threshold showers. By converting to a shower that lacks the lip or edge of a standard shower floor basin, you may remove barriers and achieve a sleek appearance. When redesigning a major bathroom or building your forever home, zero threshold showers are a huge benefit, according to wellness design consultant Jamie Gold. Cool roofing. According to Matt Power, editor of Green Builder magazine, the issue that everyone is currently interested in solving is heated. Power advises investing in cool roofs for peace of mind and energy bill savings because they reflect more sunshine and absorb less heat than conventional roofs, boosting indoor comfort and requiring less electricity to cool the house. Kitchen countertops. Countertops play a crucial role in the design and functionality of your kitchen. They are striking visually, and they must resist regular cleaning, food preparation, spills, and craft time. It is worthwhile to spend money on new countertops if you have high-quality cabinetry but ugly or difficult to maintain countertops. Updated garage doors. According to Vancouver, British Columbia general contractor and owner of Wilson Homes, Warren Wilson, a new garage door is an affordable and simple approach to boost curb appeal. A new door with greater insulation or windows for natural light might make your garage more pleasant if it is utilized for anything like a workshop, according to Wilson. Radiant heat flooring. A radiant heating system, which is buried beneath the floor, warms rooms from the bottom up and provides pleasant heat for your feet. The present flooring must be removed to install a radiant system in your home. While this is a significant upgrade, it also has significant advantages. Radiant heat is not only more comfortable on chilly mornings, but it is also more silent than rattling radiators and rumbling forced air vents. It may also be installed in many other rooms in the house and is frequently more energy efficient. Automatic bathroom vent fans. You'd be shocked at how many houses still use out-of-date bathroom ventilation fans or ones that are too large for the room. After a shower, an exhaust fan should immediately remove humidity and clean a steamy mirror. Look for a model with a humidity sensor that turns on the fan automatically. This feature is ideal for people who forget to switch it on before taking a bath and keeps you from wasting electricity if you do. Tankless water heater. Switching to a space and energy-efficient tankless water heater in place of a conventional water heater is advisable. A tankless water heater offers on-demand hot water, which means it uses energy only when and to the temperature that is required, as opposed to continuously heating a big tank of water. The fact that your hot water supply is not constrained by how much water the tank can contain is another advantage of a tankless unit. Decks and patios. The demand for outdoor areas skyrocketed last year, and homeowners are still looking for ways to improve and enjoy them. A new deck, no matter how big or tiny, is an easy method to greatly increase the value of your home. It can be transformed into a versatile room where you may work, play, and entertain with just a few pieces of furniture and lighting. A wood deck may seem like a luxury given the cost of timber, but you can be confident in its future worth. Enhanced kitchen storage. The epidemic provided you with the opportunity to invest in the cooking knowledge and supplies you learned. Your kitchen will become more organized, functional, and delightful to use as a result of having enough storage for all of your tools, appliances, and pantry goods. This will also help you develop your new culinary skills. Making the most of your current cabinetry involves adding specialty organizers like Better Homes and Gardens pantry baskets for $13 at Walmart. Solar energy. Solar power has become a more affordable choice for households as a result of falling material costs combined with tax rebates and incentives. Even though solar still requires a large financial commitment, the demand for renewable energy is pushing it closer to consumers. According to Power, adding solar power to your home can lower your energy costs and carbon footprint while also attracting home buyers. When considering solar as an emergency backup, Power advocates use it in a one-way fashion so that the lights and refrigerator may continue to function even if power goes off.